2023 community yard sales. And so it begins. Getting our steps in today, guys. Good morning.
I'll be right back out, Hannah.
Okay. American Eagle. Hepburn. Earl Jean. I found one thing from you. You had $1 on the bear here. Thank you. Not in the best shape, but Coca-Cola, and I might be able to take that shirt off and wash it. So, first pickup of the day. Hey guys, I just wanted to pop in here real quick and say, if you like this sort of content, please hit the subscribe button. Click that bell. That way you'll get notifications when the next videos come out. This is a series of videos that's in our local community garage sales. So I don't want to keep you too long. Just want to tell you that. Let's get back out there and see what else we can find. Those are plastic. How's Melba this morning?
All right, how are you doing?
I'm good.
Yeah. How much more you got to spend on that car deal? You got $5, don't you?
Is the jeans yours or hers?
Well, part of them, but these are hers. How much on your jeans, Teresa?
The Duluth will kind of go 5 because you can see they're pretty new.
Yeah, this
Yeah.
one's still brand new.
5,
size you
10, 15, 20. I'll take those. I will take. You can just leave them right there. I'll get them on my way out. Cause I might add on. There, yeah, there's 4 pairs.
Do you want in a bag?
No,
Okay.
no,
Well, that
no
was
sense
perfect
of
for
it.
you.
Yeah.
No, I gave it to you. You only had 5 left.
Oh my gosh.
That's right. Ooh, and here's Brian, 20. I'm gonna write it down. He kept confusing me because he would. I know.
This year,
Well, I'm gonna leave that up as a walk for this. Oh, what would you want to do? Is it even bigger?
What about the shirts? I got 2 of them.
2 of them.
Yeah.
They're, we'll just for you. We'll do a quarter piece.
Okay. Okay. I'll add them to my pants right there.
I'm gonna write these down.
Yeah.
So I don't get confused again. Like, he would act like he was buying stuff, and then he would not.
And then he would. Well, that would get confusing. Yeah.
I don't know.
All right. I think that's all I see.
Well, you hit it, gold mine.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's Duluth. Robert loves the Duluth.
Yeah. I seen those was. A couple of them was lined. I don't know if it was all lined. That one's not.
Yeah,
that one is.
Yeah. Well, what I do is, because they're so expensive, in the spring, I'll buy the winter clearance pants, the line ones.
Yeah.
And then
He just keeps the 50 cents.
Oh, sure?
Yeah.
Thank you.
I'll just lose it. So you might as well keep it.
But then in the fall, then I'll buy the spring, the thinner ones for him.
Yeah.
Clearance. Well, I bought those, and then by the time winter got around, he put them on, and he was like, they're too big. I was like, well, it's too, you can't return them, you know.
Yeah.
I bought them on clearance 4 months ago.
Yeah. All right. Well, I hope you guys sell out today.
Me too. Thank you
So,
very much.
all right. We'll see you later. Good morning. Is this lighthouse a fountain? The lighthouse, is it a fountain?
I think it was, but it doesn't work.
It just doesn't work. Okay.
Yeah.
So it's more of a yard decoration.
Yeah.
It's pretty.
I thought somebody like painted or something.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. How much is your little sprays here?
All the prices are on the bottom.
Oh, on the bottom. Oh, okay. Gotcha. I gotcha. Helps if I would turn it over, right?
You're fine. Morning.
Morning.
Are you a fisherman?
Yes, I am.
I got some holes in there.
Okay.
get
I'll
ready
take
to
a look at
pull
those.
them
Okay. I'm glad you said something. I'm going to go ahead and take that lighthouse.
Okay.
I'll put it in there, and while I'm busy messing with this, I'll wait around for that. Bought Mama something today, guys. How much is your shoes gonna be?
Most of them have prices on the bottom, but those might not.
Yeah, they don't.
Probably
5? Okay. I don't see a price on these either.
I don't know.
Yeah.
I'd probably just do maybe 10. Okay, so the only thing he told me was this one with the reel on it, 15, and those 10.
Okay.
And I don't know anything about them, so
Okay.
I figured you do if you're a fisherman.
Yeah. I like this one, but I wish it broke down.
Yeah, he said something. What I didn't know one of them. He said one of them, the tip. He said it still is usable, but I think the rest of them, I think are all right. I couldn't even tell you if it is it at the tip.
This one's good.
Oh, okay.
They all look good. The tips.
I thought he said one of them. I don't remember. Maybe it's one he kept at home. I don't know, but I was thinking he said. I just told him to tell me what he wanted out of them, and that's all I knew.
Yeah. How much did you say for the rods?
10 for the rods and the one with the reel.
That one's 15.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So I'll probably take that one anyway.
Okay. Feel free to go through it. We just
Okay.
ran a little behind.
No, you're good. Oop. I owe you 45.
Every time.
Two, three, four, 5. 45.
Thank you very much.
Yep.
Thank you, fishing.
Guaranteed to up my catches, right?
Well, he does a pretty good job.
All right, you have a good day. Hey guys, I just wanted to thank you for watching. Like I said before, please hit the subscribe button, smash that bell to get notifications when our next video is going to come out, and hit the thumbs up. If you got any questions at all, please leave them down below. I will get to them. This is going to be a video series of my local community yard sales. So if you like what you're seeing, please do all the above. And I hope you have a good day today, a better day tomorrow. God's blessings to you, and good night.